exciting vehicle. Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Kia. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Remember, if they say no, call Tony Joe's.